This is a quick screencast on navigating the GrokOla educational engine. First things first, you're going to go to education.grokola.com and log in with the credentials provided to you. Now, immediately you're going to go to the home page, which always has some different activity depending on your last login, but what you're really going to be concerned with is going to hear overview. You'll notice here there's a lot of content. You are going to have access to the course that you are taking at the time. In this case, I'm going to be taking the React course that we offer. Now here you can see this React course has quite a few topics. Now these are called collections. Think of them as the main category. Each of these categories have subpages. So here we're going to go to the introduction collection. Okay, here's some content. On the right-hand side, there is the navigation in this collection. So all we have to do is click on another one and it gets us to the next step. Hello World, Tooling, Compilation, and you're going to navigate all the way down here until you get to exercise 5. Now, as you can see, there's nothing else that you can go to. So what you're going to do is hit this button here and do the next button to hit the next collection. So components and props. Same thing goes, where you are just navigating different options. And there's also a pretty cool thing that you can write notes. So this is a good option if you have questions for your instructor. There is also this little hamburger menu for some other options. But other than that, your course is ready to go, and we sure hope you enjoy it.